Today, I'm going to show you why AI is a must for every business and give you a simple 3-step strategy to implement AI into your workflow. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, the time to act is now. And stick around because I'll also share how at Forsify will help businesses save thousands of hours in manual work and increase profits by over $360,000. My name is Anna. I'm a founder of Forsify.com. With 8 years of experience in marketing and 4 years in the AI industry, I've seen firsthand how AI can transform businesses. Let's face it, businesses that don't embrace AI risk being left behind tomorrow. You've probably heard this before, but let's break it down to understand exactly why AI isn't just a nice to have, it's a necessity and must have today. AI isn't just some futuristic technology, it's here and it's already changing how businesses operate. From automating routine tasks to providing data-driven insights that lead to smarter decisions, AI will make everything more efficient. In fact, studies show that around 83% of companies consider AI a top priority for their business strategy, according to Forbes. And it's no wonder. Businesses using AI are seeing better customer services, faster processes, and most importantly, higher profits. Now, what if you decide to ignore AI and stick to the traditional ways of doing things? It's a harsh reality, but businesses that resist AI will quickly fall behind. Competitors using AI will be faster, more efficient, and better equipped to handle customer demands. They'll be making data-driven decisions, while others are stuck relying on guesswork. By ignoring AI, you have higher risk. Okay, now that we established why AI is a game changer for every business, let's dive into 3 simple-step strategy to help you implement AI into your workflow. It's easier than you think. The first step is to analyze your current workflow. You need to identify the tasks or processes that are repetitive, time-consuming, or prone to human error, where you are spending the most time. What task would you automate to save you hours each week? For example, look at the areas like customer service, data analysis, marketing automation, or even finance. AI can step in to streamline these tasks, allowing your team to focus on higher-level creative work. Think about AI as a tool that takes care of the busy work, so you can focus on the strategy and innovation that actually grow your business. Step 2. Implement AI solutions. Next, once you identified the areas that could benefit from automation, it's time to implement AI solution. But there is the key. Don't overcomplicate it. Start by replacing that task you already do manually. For example, if your team spends hours sourcing through customer inquiries, use AI chatbot to handle that. Or if you're spending too much time analyzing sales data, use AI to process it for you and provide actionable insights. That previously required 12 managers to manually oversee. After implementing an AI solution, they saved over 2,000 hours of manual work annually, and their profits increased by $360,000 in just 6 months. AI can streamline your workflow, and the result can be transformational. Now, once your AI system is in place, don't just set it and forget it. This is where testing and fine-tuning comes in. Like any technology, AI needs to be optimized for your specific needs. Make adjustments and fine-tune its capabilities. For example, is a chatbot answering questions effectively? Is the AI-generated data giving you valuable insights? By testing and refining your AI system, you'll ensure that it's working effectively and bringing maximal value to your business. Finally, the last piece of the puzzle. Educate your team. Even the best AI system won't be effective if your team doesn't know how to use it. Take the time to train your staff on how to interact with the AI tools or AI system, how to understand the data it provides, and how to make the most of its capabilities. When your team understands how AI works and what it can do for you in business, they'll be better equipped to leverage it for success. At Forsify, we are not only implement AI solutions, but also providing training to ensure that your team is confident and empowered to use these tools. AI isn't here to replace your team, it's here to help them to do more. So let's recap. AI is a must for every business today. Ignoring it could mean failing behind competitors, losing efficiency, and missing out on new opportunities. But by following this simple three-step strategy, analyzing your workflow, implementing AI solutions, testing and educating your team, you can set your business up for success in an AI-driven world. At Forsify, we work with numerous businesses across industries to implement custom AI solutions, whether it's automating lead generation, optimizing customer service, or reducing manual work by up to 80%. Our AI strategies have given measurable success. One of our clients, for example, was able to save the manual work of 12 managers and increase profits. That's the power of AI when implemented correctly. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about AI for business, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss on the more insights. And if you want to know more about AI tools, free AI tools, then watch the next video.